Hello, friends. How are you? I know that you are coming for learning to become a teacher, and it is a very noble profession, right? अभी ये जो प्रोफेशन के अंदर आपको अंदर इन्वॉल्व होना है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू लर्न सो मेनी एक्टिविटीज़ टू टीच द किड्स, राइट? अभी ये जो हमारा जो आज का टॉपिक है 3 पीरियड लेसन, मारिया मोंटेसरी ने डेवलप किया है मोंटेसरी एजुकेशन, एंड शी वॉज बिलीव कि बिफोर टीचिंग, बिफोर गेटिंग इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टीच देम द सेंसेस, राइट? डिफरेंट सेंसेस, वी हैव 5 सेंसेस, दैट इज नोज, आइज, ईयर्स, टंग एंड टच। तो ये सब हम सब भी जानते हैं, बट किड्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू टीच देम द व्हाट आर द सेंसेस एंड व्हाट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ दी। तो उसके ऊपर वो काम करती है। आज उन्होंने जो आज हम सीख रहे हैं 3 पीरियड लेसन, वो डेवलप किसने किया है? वो किया है सैंग्विन फिजिशियन है, उन्होंने किया है ये डेवलप। और मारिया मोंटेसरी ने ये एक्सेप्ट भी कर लिया है, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द स्लो लर्नर किड्स। जो बच्चे बहुत आराम से करते हैं ना, उसके लिए ये बहुत चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती है। अभी आप देखोगे तो सो मैनी थिंग्स वी आर गिविंग टू द किड्स, दैट इज़ अ बर्ड्स, फ्लावर्स, vegetables, wild animal, pet animal, road vehicles, so many things are there, but it is very difficult to learn all the things. So we have to teach them regularly and बहुत calmly, right? तो इससे क्या होगा, उसके अंदर वो चीज़ धीरे धीरे करके आ जाएगी। इसीलिए हम वो सिखाने वाले हैं इसके अंदर। और ये 3 पीरियड लेसन के बाद बेनिफिट क्या होता है? बेनिफिट उनका वोकेबुलरी बहुत बढ़ जाता है, उसके ऑब्जेक्ट के नाम उसको बहुत सारे आ जाते हैं। और जब साउंड करता है, उसका साउंड भी बहुत क्लियर एंड लाउड होता है। इससे क्या है, अगर आपके पास साउंड बहुत परफेक्ट है तो यू कैन डेवलप योर कम्युनिकेशन विथ अदर्स, राइट? इसीलिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। पर इन द बिगिनिंग हमको शुरू करेंगे ऑब्जेक्ट से, ओके? तो ऑब्जेक्ट लेके हम 3 पीरियड लेसन चालू करेंगे। इसके अंदर अगर बच्चा जो कम्युनिकेशन डेवलप कर रहा है, तो उसको जो हेजिटेशन होता है बोलने के, वो भी निकल जाता है। आप देखोगे तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स अब अराउंड 1 ईयर में 13,000 वर्ड्स वो लोग लर्न करते हैं। दे आर जस्ट लर्निंग, दे आर नॉट नोइंग द नेम। व्हेन वी स्पीक सम वर्ड्स, तो हाँ, ही और शी वॉज नोइंग दिस because he learned before that, but he can't speak that word. So in this period we will teach them to speak, how to speak, how to loudly speak, how to give the proper name, to remember everything. So for that the 3 píriयड lesson is very important, and it's help in the phonics also. Okay, our 3 píriयड lesson के अंदर इट इज़ नॉट अ 3 पीरियड, इट इज़ अ 3 फेजेस। 3 फेजेस होता है, उसके अंदर हम नाम दिया गया है 3 पीरियड लेसन, ओके? अभी फर्स्ट फेजेस के अंदर क्या है? नेमिंग। फर्स्ट पीरियड का नाम है नेमिंग, सेकंड पीरियड का नाम है रिकग्निशन, एंड थर्ड पीरियड का नाम है रिकॉलिंग, ओके? ये 3 पीरियड्स, मतलब 1 by 1 वी आर टीचिंग देम द न्यू वर्ड्स, and they can develop the vocabulary, they can speak very nicely, and then we will go ahead. So now I am starting the 3 píriयड lesson, and that is a performance of 3 píriयड lesson by me. So you just observe it, okay? Wait a minute. This one is a elephant, this one is a lion, and this one is a tiger, okay? Now first, in a first period we have to teach them the name. So we have to, this is an individual activity, 1 by 1 student will come and we will perform in front of the kids, and after that they will learn very nicely. So we will give this thing and give to the kids and tell him, this is a elephant. What is this? Elephant. What is this? Elephant. because for them the elephant word is total new. So how to speak? So you have to repeat the name on and often, and the pronunciation should be loud and clear. Elephant, okay? And we have to give to the kids. They will touch it, they will feel it, they will touch their teeth, their tail, their legs, everything, and put it down. The second is a lion. What is this? This is a lion. We are teaching the kids. His name is lion. We are giving to them for feeling. So they can feel it, they can touch it, they can smell it, everything they are doing. And after touching, they can understand it is very hard. So what is this? This is a lion. What is this? This is a lion. What is this? This is a lion. And the third one is this one is tiger. Do you know the name of this? Tiger. Tiger. So many children are knowing, but they can't spell very nicely. So we have to teach them to spell. Tiger. Tiger. So, and we have to give for the feeling. Okay. So the naming period is over. Naming period is over. Now come the second period. Second period is recognition. अभी बच्चे को they learn but they remember the name, they recognize कर सकते हैं, तो we have to taste it. And in a one period it is very difficult to taste, so you have to 2-3 periods this way, and then they will learn the name of the each and every object. So we have to tell them, give the elephant in my hand, give the elephant in my hand. जो बच्चा आपके सामने खड़ा है उसको बोलना है, please give the elephant in my hand. If he is knowing which one is the elephant, then he will take the elephant and put it in your hand. Wow, very good, excellent. Now put the tiger on the table. Put the tiger on the table. Put the tiger on the table. So they will take. If he is knowing the name of the tiger, then on the table. Put the tiger on the table. Very good. And then last one is lion. Not lion, lion. Lion. Take the lion, put it on your head. Take the lion, put it on your head. Okay, so nice, excellent, excellent. आपको सब कुछ आता है. Now this the second period is our over. Now we'll go toward the third period. Okay, and third period is recalling. हमने उसको name बताया, recognition बताया. Now they have to speak the name of the object. Okay, now what you have to do? What is this? What is this? The kids have to answer properly. What is this? So they are a little bit hesitant, but you have to tell them that you are doing very nice. You can tell the name. I know that you are knowing the name. What is this? Elephant. Wow, excellent. फिर से बताओ, what is this? Elephant. Wow. Now tell me, what is this? What is this? What is this? They are confused, but they have to speak. Tell them to speak, you know. So tiger. What is this? वो बोलेगा tiger. The student will tell tiger because he is knowing the name. And what is this? Lion. What is this? Lion. What is this? Lion. Excellent. Excellent. आपने बहुत अच्छा किया है. तो मैं जो बता रही हूँ, 3 period lesson not for the animal, for each and every object जो बच्चे जानते हैं. अभी मैं आपको एक बताती हूँ कि और कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट ले सकते हैं. Banana, mango and apple, right? So this way different object you are teaching with this method, and they will speak properly with a loud voice, and they will permanently know the name of the each and every object. Okay, I think you will enjoy this 3 period lesson, and it is very important for our life, for child's life, to develop them. And in Montessori so many developments are getting by the children, that is a cognitive development, communication development, speaking development. So many developments are there. So they will learn by this different method and different apparatus. So have a nice day. Thank you very much.